Do you get aggravated when your yarn balls fall on the floor? Do you get tired of switching yarn colors in the middle of your project because it's just one more thing you have to do? Well, stay tuned because I found the answer to your problems. Well, my husband bought me this amazing yarn holder for Christmas, and this thing comes in handy. Let me show you how it works. Now, it easily comes apart, and there's a little magnet right here on the end, and it's right here inside of the holder, on the top of the holder, and it just fits like that so easily. It's easy to slide your yarn cakes on, and it's great because you can use 2 different yarn cakes, say if you were doing a mosaic afghan, and then you never have to go digging through your bag to find your second color because it's just going to be right here. Let me show you how it works. So basically, just put your 2 colors that you're using for your mosaic onto the spool, and whenever you have to change colors, just pull the string, and there you go. These are very well made, and they also look great in your yarn room because of the beautiful wood construction. I have linked this down below in the description box if you are interested in getting one of these for yourself. They are very useful and I would highly recommend it. And if you'd like some more yarn tools, make sure that you check out this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.